Every year, at the beginning of the great hunting season, the Kuru warriors celebrate a rite of fertility and renewal, rooted in mythology. In the wind that blows continuously over these lava hills, the hunters, who must be married and over 26 years old, pierce the earth with their spears. Each digs a hole among the woolly saxifrage plants, driving below the moss and the bryozoa to reach the rocks beneath, which for them is the womb of the earth. The Kurus believe they are fertilizing the earth by injecting their sperm into it. Once it is pregnant, the earth will bear animals to be hunted. Game for the Kurus is called Mayama. She is the daughter of earth and man, and logically must be conceived before being killed. The impregnating of Mother Earth by her lovers is accompanied by intense mental concentration. At the moment of orgasm, these men must think of the animal that will be hunted. We should never forget that hunting is sacred among the peoples who live by it. It would be strange if it weren't, knowing man's tendency to make everything that concerns him sacred. After the dance has aroused them, each warrior encloses his penis in a magic case, symbolizing the animal species to which he means to grant the essence of new life. At the end of the ceremony, the semen obtained through the ritual masturbation is cast into the river. The animals along the trails of the upper Volta will drink its waters and multiply. But if one day the migrating animals fail to return in spite of the ceremony, we can be sure it will be abandoned. The magic world is a practical world, like the world of technology.